middle of Second World War, Britain was under blackout, German bombs fell nightly, and paranoia gripped the country. But in 1944, one woman terrified the authorities, not with weapons, but with words from the dead. Her name was Helen Duncan, and she became the last person in the UK who was jailed under the Witchcraft Act of 1735. Helen was a spiritual medium from Scotland. She claimed that she could contain spirits, channel the dead, and produce ectoplasm in chances that stunned her audiences. But in the middle of the war, her powers seemed to cross a line. At one chance, she allegedly revealed that the HMS Barham, a Royal Navy battleship, had been sunk. Only one problem: the sinking was classified. The government had withheld the news to maintain morale. So how did she know? The authorities panicked. Was she a spy, a security leak? And instead of charging her with treason, they reached for something ancient, the Witchcraft Act of 1735. It hadn't been used in centuries. Helen Duncan was arrested, put on trial in London's Old Bailey, and convicted of pretending to summon spirits, an actual legal offense at the time. She was sentenced to 9 months in prison. The public was stunned. Even Winston Churchill reportedly called it tomfoolery and criticized wasting wartime resources on such a charge. But the government had made its point: keep quiet or else. Helen Duncan's case sparked national debate about belief, censorship, and freedom, and it marked the last witch trial in British history. The Witchcraft Act was finally repealed in 1951. Too late for Helen. In the end, Helen wasn't hanged or burned, but she was silenced by fear, secrecy, and the ancient law.